Okay, in last video we have studied that sample is required in gas, liquid or solid form, any of the form, but which has to be converted into the vapor form. In ionization chamber, the molecules in vapor form, they are converted to ionic form upon bombardment of the electron beam. One of the technique is electron impact, so which provides nearly 70 electron volt of energy to the molecules, and molecules and neutral molecules are ionized to radical cation, can be called as molecular ion or also known as apparent ion. Now those molecules which are ionized are further sent to the mass analyzer, but those molecules which are unionized and they are present in the ionization chamber, they has to be removed from the ionization chamber. So they are removed from the ionization chamber through vacuum pump. Now ionized molecules will be sent to mass analyzer. So what mass analyzer do? In case of mass analyzer, you will find the ions are separated. In mass analyzer, ions are separated according to their mass to charge ratio, mass to charge, that is M by E value, right? So now they are separated. Okay, then these ions are sent towards detector. What is the function of detector? Detector is one kind of counter, and which counts the different type of ions, right? But during this time of flight, we can say from mass analyzer to detector, we can call this TOF, time of flight. What occurs? Some of the ionized molecules, they are present, they further break down into the fragment ions while reaching towards the detector, and such type of ions, they are termed as metastable ions. Which ions? Metastable ions. Those are going from mass analyzer to detector, and during this time of flight they are broken down into the fragment smaller ions. Detector counts the different kind of type of ions, and then the data is fitted to the recorder and we get the mass spectrum as a record. So how mass spectrum is looking like, we will see this. So on the x-axis you will find the M by E values, and on the y-axis you will find intensity, or say we can say relative intensity of the peaks. So peaks are looking like simple in case of mass spectrum, right? Generally the last peak, generally I am speaking generally, the last peak is the molecular ion peak, which is formed in the ionization chamber, which has the highest M by E value, or the correspond to the highest molecular mass. So this may be a molecular mass. So about the peaks and different kind of ions formed and their peaks, we will study in the next video. Thank you.